Good morning, how you guys doing? This is Locksmith Pros, auto commercial residential 24/7 at your service. Today we have a 2020 Ford Explorer. It's for a dealer. They lost the key for it. I don't have any keys at all. The case with those, once that alarm is activated, you see it flashing everywhere. It will not let you program a key unless you go through a certain process. A lot of locksmiths out there, they have a problem trying to get that sometimes, but all you're gonna need is these equipment right here. They're gonna be a process of disconnecting the battery for a little bit, and also we're gonna be doing, and I'll show you on the process, we're gonna have to do something with the lock over here. So stay tuned and let's start working. All right, so we're gonna do a manual selection first of all, because we don't got no key. We can't turn the switch on. We're gonna go to Ford, go to USA, and we go to Explorer. Did I miss it? Here it is. And it's a 2020. We have the key right here. And then we're gonna go to Smart Keys. We're gonna confirm that. I'm gonna go to the control unit, keyless system, immobilizer, remote control learning. That's what we're gonna go to. And we are not gonna do all key lost, because if you do that, it's gonna ask you to do 2 keys. We don't want to do that, so we're gonna do add smart key. See, this function requires internet. We already got that. And this function will not erase any keys, as you can see. Is the alarm active? Yes. Security accessing. We must have a 12-volt power supply. We have 1172. I did another Explorer earlier and it had the same voltage and it went by just fine, so I wouldn't be worried too much about that. Just open the driver door. With the door open, use a screwdriver to set the door latch to the close and lock position, and that's when this comes through. So we're gonna go right here, guys. And we're gonna go to this latch right here. We're just gonna push that up all the way where it locks. Go back into the vehicle and hit OK. Now during the following steps, you'll be instructed to disconnect and reconnect the vehicle's battery. Okay, so we're gonna hit OK. Now it's gonna ask us to disconnect the battery, and that's when this comes in. The battery is in the left corner. It's usually covered by a box right here. We got it disconnected. We gotta make sure it doesn't contact. So we gotta pull it up a little bit and put it right here. Keep that tool right there because we're gonna get back to it. Okay, battery disconnected. We're gonna hit OK. It's gonna go through a 30-second process. As you can see, battery disconnected. It's reading 0 right now. Now it's asking us to connect the battery back up, tighten up bolts, and then close the hood. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go back around. Alright. Alright, before continuing, please tighten up the battery and close the hood. So we've done that. The alarm should be sounding once again. This is normal, so we're gonna hit OK. This step will take about like 10 minutes. The alarm will sound on and off. It's gonna take about 10 minutes, so we gotta listen carefully. So we're gonna hit OK. Now we gotta wait here, guys. Do not press OK until the alarm goes off and the 10 minutes pass by, and then you hear the double horn. There's like a double horn that's gonna come up, and then you're gonna press OK right after. So right now we're gonna wait for 10 minutes and then we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. By the way, the key that we are programming right here, there is like a transmitter pocket inside right here. This is where the key is supposed to go, and we put it face down like that. We can keep that open until it's done, but right now we're gonna wait about 10 minutes and then we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. We're back after the 10 minutes. We heard the double horn and now it says learn keys. We hit OK. Now place a smart key to be learned in the slot, which we already have done. So we're gonna hit OK again. You heard that? It means it's programmed. Now the current number of keys is 4. We're gonna take the key out. Make sure it locks and unlocks. Maybe it's not right now. Maybe the battery is low. But we're gonna try to crank up the car with it. Let's take that down. Hit the brake. Push the start. And the car is running. Sometimes with these smart keys, it takes a couple of minutes for it to kick in, for it to start locking and unlocking. If not, I would check on the battery to make sure the battery is good or not, and then go from there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Just to confirm that the key is working or not, we're gonna try to do the frequency detection. So this is the key we programmed to start the car, but see, it's not detecting anything. So we're most likely gonna have to change the battery. We'll have a battery right here. We're gonna change it and then try it after. We'll go from there. Stay tuned. So we changed the batteries and now it's unlocking, locking. The alarm is working, and it also starts the car. Here, gonna push the start. It's good to go. Thank you for watching.